Here we go, guys. I'm back once again today with a new affiliate program. Let's do this one. Go to Google and type in coinbase.com. Now, most of you would have already heard about Coinbase, one of the top rated platform for crypto trading. All right, let's do this one here. Come to the platform, go to bottom of it, and you will find it here, affiliates. All you have to do is that click on become an affiliate, sign up with them. It's free, obviously. And this is how it works: become an affiliate, promote Coinbase, earn commissions. As simple as that, just like any other affiliate program. Now, since crypto is on the rise and everyone is talking about and trading into cryptos, I think this is one of the best time that you get into affiliate program of cryptos. Not just Coinbase, but there are other platforms where you can do the same and earn rewards, guys. But right now we are doing it for Coinbase. Now it's very simple. As I said, you can just sign up for this one and start promoting. Start promoting on your TikTok, start promoting on your Instagram, start promoting on your Facebook. If you have a blogging website, start promoting on that. Every time someone comes and signs up with your link, you're going to get paid. Here it is how it's gonna get, about the commission payments. You will receive 50% of your referees trading fees for the first 3 months. That is amazing, guys. Trust me. It might not sound okay. It's like it's just the trading fees, but slowly and gradually it really becomes a very good amount. It starts looking really good, and it actually would be very good in no time. Even if they are giving 3 months, if you refer 10 people, that's like an amazing number, guys. So guys, now since, as I said, the crypto is on the rise, this is the best time to get into affiliate program for crypto traders stuff, and you can start making good money, guys, because everyone is looking to buy. Every time they buy something, you get 50% of that if they buy it on Coinbase using your link. So all you have to do is just share it, guys. It's very simple. You don't have to do anything. You're not going to pay anything for this one. You don't have to do paid ads as well. Just a normal post on your original social media handles. You can do that, and that should be more than enough. You can also refer to the people who are interested into crypto trading, whom you know personally, as everyone is nowadays. So guys, I thought this is really interesting stuff to do at this stage, and I thought I'll be sharing it with you guys. If you have any questions about it, send it across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.